Hello, and welcome to BIO109 at Parkland College. My name is Ralph Bonatti, and I will be your instructor for this online course. This course has been designed to teach you some of the basics of botany, but also to make the learning process both fun and interesting. To be successful in this course, you must stay on top of things, complete all assignments on time, and be an active participant in online discussions. The BIO109 course is plant biology. It is an introduction to the diversity of plants, plant anatomy, how plants function, and the importance of plants in relation to ecological and human systems. The course consists of 8 modules. Each module includes assignments such as readings in our textbook, class discussions, lab assignments, a lab quiz, and a module quiz. There will also be a mandatory comprehensive final exam. Module 1 is called Importance of Plants. In that module, you'll be looking at the scientific method, chemistry related to plants, usefulness of plants, and some agriculture. Module 2 discusses the building blocks of plant organisms, plant cells. You'll be studying cell division, osmosis, the taxonomy of plants, alternation of generations in plants. Module 3 is about starch. You'll be studying plant metabolism, including photosynthesis and cell respiration, functions of carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids, and some major starch crops that are used by humans. Module 4 is called Body, and in that section you'll be studying plant anatomy and the plant's role in human nutrition. Module 5, you'll be looking at the uses of plants. How are various plants used by humans, and what makes them so special anyway? Things like medicinal uses, for example. Module 6 is called Birds and Bees. Here we'll be looking at plant reproduction, the showy display of sex in plants. Module 7, Genetics and Heredity. Here you'll see how plant genetics can be used in agricultural practices. And finally, Module 8, Plant Ecology. Factors that affect plant communities will be looked at, including biogeochemical cycles, succession, and energy flow, and also biomes will be looked at. In each module, you will have a lab, or 2. Our labs include paper making, cells and mitosis, IKI, or starch, particle movement, osmosis, plant anatomy, chromatography, the beanstalk lab, where you'll be looking at thigmotaxis. You'll even go to a grocery store and do a lab. Pollinator lab, including fruits and flowers. You'll be extracting DNA in our DNA isolation lab, and you'll look at pollen analysis. For each one of these labs, you'll be collecting data and posting it for the class to see. You will also be responsible for 2 head researcher reports. You need to sign up for your head researcher topics and do that this week. Also in this class we have discussions on a weekly basis. It is important to be active in these discussions, meaning you should be posting on several days of the week. You should also find outside information related to the discussion and cite your sources. So I'll be looking for those things. The assessments I'll be using for this class, basically, I'm looking at things like that you read everything very carefully, keep up with the workload, submit assignments by the due date, stay active in discussions, take all of the quizzes, and take your final exam, which is a Parkland College requirement. Alright, well that's all for now. Again, I want to welcome you to our course, and make sure that you read the syllabus and all the information that's online in this course at Parkland.
Created using Powtoon.